In this video, you'll learn how to fix the issue of Claude Code output being truncated. By following this guide, you will be able to capture full outputs without losing any important information, ensuring you can access all the details generated by Claude. Begin by creating a dedicated folder for your logs. Open PowerShell and type makdir Claude logs. This command will generate a new folder named Claude logs in your C drive. Once the folder is created, you can proceed to run Claude and save the complete output to a log file. Use the command Claude summarize the readme.meg file in detail -json Claude logs output $$ get date -format ymm dmm dm months log 2 and 1 the operator output to the specified file, while 2 and 1 ensures that both standard output and error messages are captured. After executing the command, you will not experience any truncation of output regardless of its length. This method is effective for managing extensive text outputs and prevents important information from being lost or overlooked. It is advisable to check the log file afterward to verify that all output has been recorded accurately. Next, if you are using the 2026 command line interface, you can utilize the streaming flag to prevent truncation. You can execute the command Claude summarize the readme.meg file in detail -streamout code.log. This command sends the output in chunks, making it especially useful for handling large prompts or documents that may contain thousands of words. If you find yourself needing to process a particularly large input, such as an entire read and file, consider splitting the content into smaller chunks. First, read the large file using the command $content equals get content c my project readme md-raw. Then split the content into manageable 5,000 character chunks with the command $chunks explit 1 5002 where object $_ne. This approach allows you to loop through each chunk and process them individually to avoid truncation. Within the loop, use the command for each $chunk in $chunks $safe chunk equals $chunk. Replace Claude-debug $safe chunk-json safe logs chunk out. This will escape quotes automatically and ensure that each chunk is processed without losing any output. Finally, if you prefer to view output directly in the console instead of logs, you can increase the PowerShell buffer size. Execute the command $host UI raw u buffer size equals new object management automation size 5,000, which will set the buffer to a width of 500 and a height of 5,000 lines, helping prevent display truncation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.